For the first project, you will need a pool noodle from the Dollar Tree and some foliage of your choice, whatever you like, depending on the season. For this project, we are going to use the hoop reef form again, and you're going to cut your pool noodle up to fit the hoop. Once you have that started, you're going to cut the foliage down and poke them through the pool noodle and make sure you cover the whole pool noodle. So I hung this up on the wall. I was surprised on how it turned out. For the next project, you'll need these universal tool hooks from the Dollar Tree and some sort of hanging mechanism. I got these at Walmart for under $3. The first thing you want to do is spray paint your hooks whatever color you want them to be. I am spray painting these black, but you could also do like a metallic or a gold color as well. Next, I took an old board that I had lying around and I screwed in the hooks. After that, I hung the board up on the wall. I loved how this ended up turning out. Once again, make sure you check out your Dollar Tree, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!